Freshen up your home this spring by incorporating Farmhouse accent pieces from our spring shop department. No matter your style, Hobby Lobby has what you'll need to elevate any room. Here are some simple decorating tips to help you get started. Make a big cohesive statement by grouping smaller coordinating pieces together. This dining room features a gorgeous gallery wall of spring shop metal containers to create a fun farmhouse focal point. Then tie the whole space together by bringing the metal to the table with trays and vases. If you prefer a soft neutral palette, create a unified look by incorporating ceramic or woven accent pieces throughout your space. To prevent decor from looking busy, group multiples of the same item in various sizes. A matching set of baskets, canisters, or jars will function as a single uniform accent piece. And don't forget layer items to create depth and dimension. Place larger items in back and smaller ones in front. You can layer artwork, containers, books, and more to make shelves a point of interest. Then seamlessly blend floral elements throughout your living spaces. Sticking with only a couple types of greenery and flowers keeps the space feeling clean and helps the decor really stand out. Now it's time for you to get decorating. Visit us in-store or online where Spring Shop awaits, and use these simple ideas to create something that speaks to your style. For more inspiration, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.